वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। You have any doubts in what we discussed so far about the dhatu?
Last class, I didn't get the chance to go through, Guruji.
You will not understand anything then.
No, I didn't get the chance to go through.
That's what I'm saying. So you will not understand it, because
Okay.
this will become an important thing. That is a foundation.
Okay. Then today I will sit and watch both the classes, Guruji.
That's why I'm asking because Parasmepadi, Atmanepadi, that we discussed, that time you had that. Last class, we discussed about Anitamsha Vidat. Itamshena, Dhatoho Itamshena, Itamsha Jnanena, Kidrishaha Pratyaha Dhatoho Bhavanti iti Jnanam. इति ज्ञानं भवति इत्युक्ते धातुः परस्मैपदी वा आत्मनेपदी वा इति ज्ञानं। तदेव धातोः इत् अंश ज्ञानेन धातोः इत् अंश ज्ञानेन कीदृशः प्रत्ययः धातुः इत्युक्ते धातुः परस्मैपदी वा आत्मनेपदी वा इति ज्ञानं भवति। अनित् अंश ज्ञानेन धातोः अंशद्वयमस्ति इति दृष्टं किल? seen. One is itamsha, other one is anitamsha. Itamsha jnanena parasmepadi dhatu parasmepadi va atmanepadi va iti jnatum shakyate. Anitamshena dhatuhu setva anitva iti jnatum shakyate. That was the discussion last class, right? I think we don't have to discuss from the very beginning. We can start from where we left. Is it okay?
Okay, Guruji.
Yes. All of you. Remember what we discussed?
Yes, Guruji.
Okay, before that, I will ask some question with it, just answer. Dhatus, which are enumerated by the Panini Maharishi, are called?
Upadeshika.
Upadeshika.
Upadeshika, the word itself derived from Upadesha only. No difference. Upadesha, Upadeshika. Tadita. word. Dhatus which are not in the Dhatu Pata, but they are there,
Adi,
derived.
Adi
Adi
Desh.
Ati Deshika.
Ati
Ati
Deshika, not Adi. Ati
Ati.
Desha. Ati is extension. Ati Desha means extension.
Uh-huh.
So the Dhatu Sanya is extended to the other Shabdas also, other words which are derived. There are Ati Deshika Dhatu. And that is possible by adding the pratyas like Nich, etc. They're Ati Deshika. These are not found in the Dhatu Pata. Then Dhatu Pata, you cannot have it in the form of a book. You would have huge volume, huh? Because Nich Pratyaya, you add to the Dhatu, you get Pati. Then we can create a Nijanta of Pati also. You understand? Causative of the causative. Why you stop there? Causative of the causative can do, of the causative we can do, causative of the causative of the causative of the causative. All these are possibilities. Okay. So you can keep on doing it. Where is the end? That's why Ati Deshika. Of course, the usage is there or not that we don't know. But the thing is possibility. So there are Ati Deshika derived dhatus. Dhatus can be derived. They are not found in the Dhatu Pata. Okay. And Dhatoho, and we have seen the importance of the Ita letter of the Dhatu. What is the importance?
Parasmepadi or Atmanepadi will
Atmanepadi.
determine.
Ita letter, no, Ita letter, in addition to that, the Ita letter, if it is, for example, Ikara, Num will come, or, even in case of Ittagama also, there also, Udit Dhatus are weight Dhatus we have seen. Remember? Ukara, Ita letter, Udit Dhatus are weight.
Yeah.
Okay. See, Anitamsha of the Dhatu tells you the Dhatu is set or Anit only, not weight. Please note what I said before. Itamsha of the Dhatus gives information that the Dhatu is whether it's a Parasmapi or Atmanepadi. Itamsha, that is one thing. Anitamsha of the Dhatu gives the information that the Dhatu is set, whether it is set or Anit. It doesn't tell you weight, okay? For weight, for some pratyas, the dhatu could be weight, etc. Therefore, the dhatus are given the like udit dhatus. Ukara is the letter. Udit dhatus. Udit dhatus. So they are weight. It means dhatu may be a anit dhatu, but with regard to some pratyaya, it could be weight possible. So like that. We have seen Nishta pratyaya in Tatavatu, right?
Yep.
Yes, Guruji.
So that is that. Fine. Now here you can see, and Itavarna, of course, it's a packing letter. It protects the dhatu. Protection. Not just protection, it's protection anyone can use, but why particular letter? Because it has some significance. The protection, it's not just protection here. It implies a lot of things. And the Ita letter can be a hull, a consonant, or could be a vowel. I just gave the basic thing. Alanta dhatus will have ach Ita letter. Ajanta dhatus mostly will have al Ita letter. It is not, this is not a rule, okay? Please note, this is not a rule. Sometimes an alanta dhatu will have ach plus a consonant. Possible. Are there. Like drishir dhatu is there, remember? Dhatu, drishir. I type here. You can see drishir dhatu. I type and delete. Dhatu, what is the content? Drish, right? Dhatu is alanta dhatu, right? Shakara is the end. But dhatu has got alanta dhatu having ach letter E and also repa. The ear letter is Ita letter here. So that also it is there. Like that, many are there, in fact. So what I said here, it is just an inference, just an observation. Okay. It's not a rule. Okay. So here, the Drishidhatu here is there. Maybe for some reason here is there. That's how we have to take it. Okay, now, so the ith letter, therefore, ith letters are important. Fine. And in the dhatu pata, we have seen most of the dhatus are ekach or anekach. Ekach.
Ekach.
There is no doubt ekach. Only 6 dhatus are anekach, and all derived dhatus are
Ekach.
Sate.
anekach.
Set.
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 Sate.
Set.
Anekach. First anekach, and then we will
And
say.
set.
Anekach and set.
Set, when we say, then we have to talk about anitamsha of the dhatu. That we have not yet come. We will see one by one. I mean, we have seen in the recap, we have not seen. So itamsha, one thing. Itamsha part we have seen. The dhatu, the itamsha is anudata or git. Then it is atmanepadi. Otherwise,
Paraspara.
parasmepadi. Otherwise means what? One more rule said, if it is svarita or git, ubhayapadi. So that also we have to take. If it is svarita or if it is a git, then it is ubhayapadi. If it is anudata or git, atmanepadi, then what is left out? Udata.
Udata.
So all udata dhatus. Udatetaha dhatavaha. Udatetaha means you understand. Itamsha of the dhatu having the swara anudata. When I say itamsha having swara, means the itamsha must be a vowel. We don't have to say it, right? It must be a vowel because vowel alone can have swara, not the consonants. Then that udatta, udattetaha, parasmaipadi bhavanti. Simple. So these 3 sentences you can easily understand. Sutra, the sutra format is that it's okay. Anudatta ngitaha atmanepadam, swaritaha ngitaha ubhayapadi. This is not a sutra, this is our statement. We can infer. I mean, we can understand this. From the sutra only we are giving. Swaritaha ngitaha ubhayapadi. Ubhaypadam bhavati, right? Swaritaha ngitaha ubhayapadi. And Sheshat Kartari Sutram is there. From that we can, now based on this we can say, Udattetaha dhatavaha parasmaipadinaha. Therefore, Anudat, I will write here. Just a summary. Anudattetaha dhatavaha. Not only that, Nitaha also. Anudattetaha nitaha cha dhatavaha atmanepadi atmanepadinaha bhavanti, right? Anudattetaha nitaha. I'm writing nitaha also. With the letter, if it is nit, then swaritetaha nitaha cha dhatavaha ubhayapadinaha bhavanti. Right? Then what is left out? Udattetaha only. There is no consonant there. Udattetaha dhatavaha parasmaipadinaha bhavanti. This must be very clear. So in our discussion, right? 3 points. This is the short summary. What we have to take home, what you have to understand is only these 3 out of all this discussion. This is what we have been saying. This is 3. Anudattetaha ngitaha dhatavaha atmanepadinaha. Swaritetaha ngitaha dhatavaha ubhaypadinaha. Ubhaypadinaha itukte parasmaipada pratyaya va atmanepada pratyaya va dhatoha bhavanti. Kada bhavati kartravipiraye kriyapale atmanepadi paragami kriyapale parasmaipadi. I have copy paste problem, huh? Parasmaipadi. Okay, please note. Then udattetaha dhatavaha parasmaipadinaha. And we saw many examples on the dhatu pata. Okay, we have analyzed. The same dhatus we are going to take for discussing anitamsha. Anitamsha. Anitamsha swarasya. Not anitamsha is alone is not correct. I will make it anitamsha swarasya. Okay. Swara of the anitamsha. It's very important, right? Not just anitamsha. Here itamshasya, if the itamsha is a vowel, then the swara has got importance. Okay. Dhatoha amshaha, okay, amshadvayam. I just it amshasya prayojanam. Okay, it amshasya prayojanam. And here also we have to understand if itamsha is swara, then the vowel, then that swarasya prayojanam. Okay. Anyway, itamshasya prayojanam, that's fine here, no problem. I'll keep the ending as it is. But here, anitamshasya prayojanam, that is wrong actually. You know, anitamsha means a vowel must be there. Without that, how can a dhatu be a dhatu? Anitamsha, ityukte, that which is not a it letter. It means, what I mean by anitamsha means the swara. Swara, see the vowel, I mean, swaraha means vowel, what I mean. The anitamsha referring to the vowel, and the swara of the vowel has importance. Okay. This swara is not vowel. That swara means it is udata, anudata, intonation. So anitamsha referring to the swara. Swara means vowel, because vowel has got another word. No, swara. Swayam rajate iti swaraha. So therefore, swaraha, swarasya prayojanam will be more confusing. Better write anitamsha. Anitamsha referring to the ach part of the dhatu and the swara of the dhatu. What is the significance of that? You understand? The word swara mean can vowel, but here it is, yes, swarasya, what I mean is the intonation. Please note, not a vowel. Okay, sometimes it will be confusing. Yes,
Yes.
swara, vowel also swara, all
Yes.
are swara. So what I mean is intonation. Udata, anudata, swarita.
Swarita.
The significance of the intonation of the anit vowel in the dhatu, of the dhatu. Understand? Okay. See, that's why the sutra, it's better to talk in Sanskritam better in English. Otherwise, it's difficult to express. You know, this is anyway. So now you see. The last class we saw anitamsha, achaha, swara. When we say it will be only for the vowel. Therefore, anitamsha, achaha, swara anusaram, dhatuhu, setva, anitva. We cannot put here wait. Okay. Either set or anit. In fact, anit, the sutram is given only for anit. From that we can infer set. Anitam shadadu. Now you see, anudata ekach dhatuhu. Dhatu, that is having ekach, only one vowel. It means referring to the aupadeshika dhatu. Ekach dhatu means aupadeshika dhatu. You don't have to say it, you understand, right? Aupadeshika dhatuhu. And the swara of the anitamsha, that is a vowel of the vowel, which is the anitamsha, the vowel of the dhatu, having the swara, what? Anudata.
Udata.
Then the dhatu is anit. That is what the Panini Maharshi says in the sutra. Ekachaha upadeshe. Upadeshe ekachaha means aupadeshika dhatuhu anudatat. Anudatat aupadeshika dhatuhu pratyah bhavati. Valadi adadatuka pratyah bhavati. Tat anit bhavati. It will not take itagma. That is what the rule says. Understand? Ekachaha upadeshe anudata. Here anudata referring to itamsha or anitamsha?
Anit.
Anitamsha. Anitamsha means that is not an ita letter, that's a part of the dhatu. And the dhatu we are talking about ekash dhatu, therefore it's significant part. Vowel, right? And the swara of the vowel of the dhatu, which is not ita letter, right? It's anudata, then the dhatu is anit. Now you see the format, we have seen this. Dhatu plus itagama comes only for
Valadi.
Ardha dhatuka, valadi ardha dhatuka pratyaya, not for sarva dhatuka. Stingshit sarva dhatukam, ardha dhatukam, sheshaha. We know it very well, right? So, valadi ardha dhatukasya eva itta bhavati. Kada bhavati edis dhatuhu sed bhavati targi eva. Both has to be both condition. Jadakam has to match, otherwise no marriage. Okay. So the dhatu should be said and pratyaya should be valadi. If dhatu is said, fine. Pratyaya is not valadi. Then itagama will not come.
Yeah.
Dhatu is anit. Pratyaya is valadi. Then also it will not come.
Yeah.
Both are anit. Not even one point is matching. And how can marriage happen? Not.
Yeah.
Cancel. There is no point of further discussion. Anit
Mm.
dhatu navaladi. No, itagvara bhavati. Right? Now,
Mm.
already I told when the dhatu is weight. Sorry, anit. Now, when I say state dhatu, then what could be the swara of the anitamsha of the dhatu?
Udata or Surita?
Udata.
Udata or swarita.
Or
Remember
Swarita.
the last class we used the word nanch ananudata.
Ananudata.
It is not anudata. It means either it can be swarita or
Or
udata.
Udata.
Similarly here also, same. Either anudata, either udata or swarita. If it is anit dhatu, then it is
Udata.
Anudata.
udata.
Anudata.
Anitamsha is udata. Here
Udata.
also anitamsha is udata.
Anudata.
Anudata, Guruji.
Shamitam. Okay, sorry. It's udata, anudata, anudata. Okay. Anitamsha is anudata. This is anudata. Okay. Anudataha, eva. Yes. Na udataha, ananudataha. This is the last class we saw. Na anudataha, ananudataha. Ityukte, other than udata. Other than udata, what are there? Udataha,
Swarita
swaritaha.
and
That is why when we say dhatu is said, it can be udata or swarita. That can be checked in the dhatu pata. If dhatu is anit dhatu, it must be anudata only. That also you can check in the dhatu pata, right? The swara of this can be, you can check in the dhatu pata. In fact, we were going to do that. If the swara of the dhatu is anudata, then it has to be anit alone. Sometimes it's anit, that's anudata, anit dhatu. Sometimes it itahama may come. That also some relaxation is given. All these possibilities are there. There's some with regard to some pratyas, it may come. So that we will not discuss. We will not make it complicated. We will make it very simple. Later, whenever exceptions come, that we will see. Okay. So the anudata is very significant thing. If it is anudata, the anitamsha, then it is anit only. Anudata, anit, you can remember like that. Anudata, anit. Udata said. Swarita said. So right? Some small formula like that. You know, remember the formula I told, no 5, na 9? No 5 means for the fifth gana, nu, shnu is the gana vikarana. So, therefore, nu will become no when followed by tipratya, therefore no 5, fifth gana, na 9, na is ninth gana vikarana, shna, like krinati, janati. So, given a kriya padam, you should, if I ask you what is the, which gana the dhatu is. So, no 5, na 9, this some small, the easy way to remember, some tips. You can just my formula, in fact, it is. Not only like for this, I have given, I said other class. This one, and another one is for this, when we discuss Ananta Prakriya, that is said. Seti Angakarya, Seti Dvittam first, Aniti Angakarya. So, something like that in all my classes I say. Similarly, here also you can remember. Anudata, anit, right? You can remember. See, the very, the definition of a padam, Supting and Padam. The sutra is 1414. How to remember? You remember 14, Vanavasa of Rama. 14. So 14, remember, you can easily say 1414. That is 1414. First chapter, fourth section, 14 sutra. So it's easy way to connect, So that Lorraine one book is there, how to improve your memory, You can remember things. You will never forget if you connect with something. Similarly here also. So you can connect. Anit anudata, anit. That one, if you remember, other one, they are understood. Other than that, they are not anit. Simple. Anudata, anit. If it is not anudata, it is not anit. If it is not anit, then what is it? It could be said or it could be weight. That depends. That, of course, we can see. Depending on the itha letter, etc., other things. Fine. Now, so ananudataha. So you can remember this. Ananudataha, Udattaha. Then we saw in the last class, the same thing I rewrote with Ananudataha, Udataha, Anudataha. Now let us see the example. I'm taking the same example so that you can follow. For one dhatu, it is complete. At least the discussion is complete. You can take any dhatu. The last dhatu we saw the Ak dhatu. In the dhatu pata, you have to see the next immediate the line where the swara is mentioned. If you skip this, then you will end up with the next one, the following one. Then problem, that is, you will connect the swara of some other dhatu for this dhatu. So you have to be careful when we see the dhatus line by line. You have to see the line which immediately following the dhatu. I mean, immediately means either immediately after or after some dhatus, whatever it is. So that line mentions the swara. Now, for example, Aka dhatu. For that it is given Jvaradayaha Udattaha Udatte. Jvaradaya is, this dhatu is under the Jvaradi Gana, Antargana, subgroup of the first conjugation, Dwari Gana. So where it is said Udatte Taha is swara of the Itamsha and Udattaha is swara of the Anitamsha. Swara of the Itamsha is Udatte Taha, for the dhatu is
Parasmapadi.
Because we have seen, so Anudatta, the swara is important. You see, Anudatta only, through Anudatta only the conditions are given. Huh? So, Anudatta, therefore, Udatta is not Anudatta, therefore Parasmapadi. Right? And Anitamsha is Udatta. Therefore, if it is Anudatta, then only Anit. Udatta. Therefore, it is not Anit. If it is not Anit, it must be
Set.
Set.
Set or wait.
So, Set. We can take it as Set. Then depending on the pratyaya and depending on the ith letter also. Sometimes depending on the ith letter. Here I am just saying Set. We cannot say Set like that. Set or wait. As you said, it's correct. Set or wait. But for this dhatu, it is Set. That's why I written Set for this dhatu. It is not Anit. Okay, depending on the other conditions, pratyaya, etc., it can be a set or could be a wait. Fine. Then, as an extension, we saw the lakara rupani, all those kartari, karmani. This is just for the sake of completion. One dhatu we do all the lakaras. Adha dhatu ka lakara also, I remember I introduced Adha dhatu ka lakara, for example, future tense, for which the vikarana is here. Vikarana is not Gana Vikarana. When we say Gana Vikarana, it is specific for the Gana. When we say Vikarana, it is for all the dhatus. Understand?
Yep.
It's for all the dhatus. So Sya is the, what type of pratyaya Sya? Adha dhatu ka pratyaya. Valadi, yes, Valadi.
Yeah.
Therefore, Itahama will come, provided the dhatu is
Set.
Therefore, Itahama. This dhatu being a Set, how do we know it is Set? Because Udatta, we saw, right? Therefore, Itahama will come. Therefore, Akishyati. Similarly, Lung Lakara. Lung Lakara easy. It's an easy one. Combination of Lung and Rit that we saw. Other Lakaras, for a period of time, I will teach you, like Lut, etc. Then Kridantaha, from that example, Shatru Visa. Shatru is a pratyaya, added in the sense of Vartamane to the dhatu, which are what? Parasmapadi or Atmanepadi? Parasmapadi or Atmanepadi? Shatru pratyaya.
Shatru is Sarvadhatuk pratyaya.
No. Sarvadhatuka fine. Sharach also Sarvadhatuka only. Shatru for Parasmapadi. Shanach for Atmanepadi. Understand? Shatru for Parasmapadi. Shanach for Atmanepadi. So now, how can I add Shanach now here? Therefore, Shanach, because I'm adding Shanach, it is Karmani. So, Shanach, when we add Shanach to the Parasmapadi dhatu, then the Prayoga must be
Karmani prayoga.
exactly. Like we had te, labhyate, labhyate, patyate, patyate, patyante. Understand?
Yeah.
So karmani. When we add parasmay pada pratyaya to atmane pada pratyaya to parasmay paridhatu, then the prayoga is karmani. We
Correct.
know.
Yeah.
Similarly, when shanach pratyaya added to parasmay paridhatu, then the prayoga is karmani.
Karma.
That's what karmani shanach. I was about to say. Don't worry, karmani shanach. We will be discussing as part of the Shatru Shanach Prapriya. We have not yet discussed Shanach, right?
Yes, Guruji.
We have been discussing
Kshatrupati.
Napumsakalinga Shatranta, right? Strilinga, sorry. Strilinga Shatranta.
Strilinga, yeah.
We discussed and we are doing practice. So reading some sentences. We took a diversion and came here.
Yes.
We'll go back to that.
Hmm.
Then after that, we will discuss Shanach. Then Shanach, when we discuss, then that we will discuss Karmani also. Okay. Fine. But anyway, here I have given an introduction, therefore it will be easy for you. So here one important rule. When Shanach, that is content of Shanach is Ana, right?
Hmm.
When Ana follows, Adanta Anga will take Muk Agama. Please note. Adanta Anga means Anga with regard to the Pratyaya. That's what we mean Anga, right? You remember, from the very beginning, I have always been saying, Bu plus Shap plus Tip, Bu is Anga for Shap, Bu plus Shap is Anga for Tip. That's
Yeah,
how
yeah.
we learn.
Yeah.
So Anga means what? That which precedes a Pratyaya.
Precedes,
Shanach is there. Before Shanach, what is there? That is Anga. What is
Yeah.
there? Ak plus Yak. Yak
Hmm.
content is Ya. So Akya. Akya is the Anga.
Yeah.
Anga ending with Akara. Adanta Anga. Right? That's what Adanta Anga. Another example for Adanta Anga, you will see in these Ritlakara. There also you will have, with regard to the Pratyaya, the Anga would be Adanta Anga. Okay. Just I'm saying, just an example for Adantanga. Nothing else. Okay, don't confuse with Mukkagama. Mukkagama comes only for Shanach. When Ana follows, Mukkagama will come for the Anga. Right? Ane is Saptami. Ane Pare means Shanach. Ane, why then you say Ane? The rule is Ane. Not only Shanach, there is another Pratyaya, Kanach also is there. Don't worry about that. Whose content also Ana. Ana, therefore the sutra is like that. Ane Muk. Ane pratyaya pare adantasya angasya kim bhavati muk bhavati. Content of muk is makara. Content of muk is makara. Therefore, what happens? Makara comes. Therefore, we get akyamana, like labhyamana, karishyamana, like that. Okay, this is one. Then for nishta pratyaya and all, the knowledge of it is very important. Right? Here there is no itagama will not come. Though the pratyaya is adadatuka. Why? Not valadi.
Not Balaji.
Not valadi.
Hmm.
Val means val includes
Other
all
than
the
Yakara.
other than
All
Yakara,
consonants. Yes.
except Yakara. So therefore, Ittagama will not come. In all Karmani Prayoga, Yak will be there, Vikarana Pratyaya, no Ittagama, because not Valadi. Please note, remember this. Huh?
Hmm. Hmm.
And Ta Pratyaya Tavatu, important. They're all Valadi Adadatuka. Therefore, the Dhatu, if the Dhatu is said, Ittagama will come. Akita, Akitavat, etc. The Rupam. Many we saw. I introduced many Adadatuka Pratyaya. Okay. We will learn more also in that. Now let us take the next Dhatu, Aki. Aki is what type of Dhatu?
Idit.
Idit Dhatu. What is significance of this Itamsha? Not only it determines, Parasmepadi or Atmanepadi. We will see that.
Nummarum.
Num is important also. Idit Dhatus will get Num. So 2 in 1. Right?
Hmm.
2 in 1. The ith letter has got two purposes. One is here num, other one is find out. We'll find out now whether the dhatu is parasmipadi atmani. How will you find out? Dhatu pata is given. Where will you go and check? I have to, then
Index.
2000 dhatus are there. Go to the
Index.
index. Yeah. And Aki, you know the dhatu is in Dvadigana. Doesn't matter, wherever let it be. In index, it is given in alphabetical order. Therefore, you can easily find out. Go and check the index. Where is there? Dhatu of the Bhuvadigana first conjugation. See the screen.
Third one, Guruji.
What's the number? Dhatu number is given. Third column.
Yep.
What is the number?
90.
70, not 90.
70.
Yeah?
70.
70. 70th dhatu of the Bhuvadigana is this Aki. Now, go to the Bhuvadigana. 70. Dhatu number 70. So this is Bhuvadigana. Bhuvadigana is the biggest Gana. So we have more than 1000 dhatus. So 70. 70 is there. Do you see?
Yeah. Aki Lakshani.
Aki Lakshane. Lakshane. Aki is to mark. That is why Ankani comes. You know, Ankayati, Ankati.
Mm.
Ankati, no. It is Parasapati Atmanapadi. We have to find out. Okay. We don't know. It is not Ankati. Now, how do you know? How do you only find out? Just see one by one. Next one is 71. Okay. Then 72, 73, 74, 75. Just 77, 78, 79. 82, what is there?
Anudatte. Udatta, Anudat.
Shikradayaha udattaha anudatteta. The udatu is what?
Udatta.
Atmanipadi.
Atmanipadi. Anudattetaha. The ith letter is
It Anudatta.
Anudatta. Therefore, Atmanipadi. Okay. So, as I did here also, that same thing I will copy. Because we are going to do all the lakaras. All the lakaras, kritantas, whatever we have done, the same. We will do this. We'll do for this dhatu also. So dhatu is Ank dhatu after Num. And we have here, what is that? Shikradayaha. Shikradayaha. Udattaha anudattetaha. Right? Anudattetaha. Itamsha is E. Swara is
Anudatta.
Anudatta. Therefore,
Atmanipadi.
Atmanipadi.
Atmanepadi. Anudatatvat. Anudatatvat dhatuhu Atmanepadi bhavati. Okay. Anitamsha also we will see. Anitamsha is
Udat.
Udatta.
that is
Uttara.
Udatta only, right? Udatta. Therefore, dhatuhu
Said.
Fate.
we can say Anit na bhavati. I'll make like that because for state, wait also possible. For wait some other conditions. I will say Anit. Anit will not come. That is for sure, right? Dhatuhu Anit bhavati. Anit means it only, state only. Dhatuhu Anit bhavati. Right? Why Udatatvat or Ananudatatvat? I'm using negative. Ananudatatvat. Anyway, you can say. Understand?
Next, na bhavati, no?
Anit na bhavati.
Na
Sorry,
bhavati.
Dhatuhu Anit na bhavati.
Na.
Yes, na. Ananudatatvat. Yes. Dhatuhu Anit na bhavati. Ananudatatvat. Okay. So therefore, dhatu is Anit. Anit, when I say it could be said, it could be wait. That we have to find out. That we can, of course, if for weights, there some rules are there. Whether this dhatu comes under there or not, we don't know. That is why I don't want to take chance. I just say it, denying it is not Anit. That much is enough. If it is not Anit, of course it has to be said. Even in weight, when we say it is said, right? Weight means what? With it, without it, two forms will be there. So there also state is there, right? So whether it will have another option where it is not there, that we have to see. That depends on certain set of rules. I mean, which are given in the Ashtadhyayi. So that we will leave it. We will see later. Now you have to understand that just denying it is not Anit. That's enough. Now, what is the Latlakara Rupam? Dhatu is Ank. Ank plus Tip plus ang plus tip. No. Dhatu is anudhata, atmanipadi. Therefore, te. So ang plus sha plus te. Therefore, the rupam is
Ankate.
ankate. Lang rupam ang plus W kartari. By default, kartari. Atagama will come sha plus te. Form would be ankate. Ankate, ankete, ankante. Yeah, right. Load would be ang plus te. Then ang plus sha plus
Lang
Tam,
lakara,
tam,
ang
Guru.
plus ta, no? Kakara,
not-
no?
lang
Tam.
lakara ankata. Yeah, not te. Sorry. Ankata, anketam, ankanta. That's what I was saying. Yeah, sorry. Ankate, ankete, ankante. Ankata, anketam, ankanta. Yes. I was telling I myself realized some mistake. Okay. Ankata, anketam, ankanta. Load will be ang plus tam.
Tam.
Therefore, form would be ang plus
Ankata.
ankatam,
Kakata.
anketam, ankantam. Then ling would be ang plus
Ita.
Ita.
eta. So ang plus sha plus eta,
Anketa.
Ankita.
anketa.
Ankita.
Anketa.
Then karmani. This is kartari. Okay. Karmani would be anka plus atmanepada pratyaya alone will come. But anyway, this is also atmanepada pratyaya. The interesting thing to see. Gatlakara, ang plus. We are doing karmani. Let karmani. So te will come ang plus yak plus te ankyate. Form would be ankyate. Lang rupam. Ang plus ta. Atagama will come. Yak also will be there. Then ta. The form would be
Ankita. Ankita.
Ankyata. Ankyata.
ankyata. So ankata, ankyata. Load. Tam, right? So there is
Tam.
tam. Yak will come. Then
Kyetam.
ankyata. You see the form is the samanam bhavati atmanipadi, right? Not samanam, samitam. There it is
Anketa.
ankatam, not samanam. Okay. Here it is akyatam. Ankyata, not akyatam. Here it is
Ankyata.
ankyatam. Yes. Ling would be ang plus
Anketa.
the ether, right? The atmanipadi rupam, ether, F plus ether.
Ank.
I'm not copy pasting some portion. You can just see. Let me know. Ankyeta. Now, Adadata Kalakara, lit lakara, future tense. Ank plus lit. Ank plus lit, sya will come. Now, the dhatu is anit. So, not anit. And itagama is not negated. Therefore, itagama will come.
Yeah.
Ank plus sya plus not tip. It will be te.
Te.
Atmanipadi. Therefore, you have Shaktam also will happen. Therefore,
Ankish.
form would be
Ankishyati.
Ankishyate. Ankishyate. Ankishyate, ankishyate, ankishyante. Iti rupam. Lim lakara. Conditional. Ank plus lim. Atagama will come. Sya will be there. And lim lakara. Here the form that here it is. Atmaneparita will come. Parasvapari takara. Atmaneparita. Right? Like in lang lakara. So ank plus art plus ank. Ank.
Ank.
Therefore, the form is ank plus next one shattam will happen, and the form is
Ankishyata.
yes. Ankish. Ankishyata is drin. Meaning, if he add marked, something like that. Right? Yadi saha ankishyata tarhi asmabhihi ज्ञातुम शक्तः अभवत्, something like that. Then kridantaha, kridanta ank only, ank plus Chatru or Shanach.
Shanich.
Shatru will never come for this. Parasmepadi is for Parasmepadi, Shatru and Shanach possible. Kartari Shatru, Karmani Shanach. For Parasmepadi, Dhatus. Atmanepadi, Shanach only. Kartari also Shanach. Karmani also Shanach. Understand? So here we will have two Shanach. Kartari Shanach, Karmani Shanach. Understand? Ank plus Shanach. Let us say Kartari, we are doing. I write here Kartari. Kartari Shanach. Kartari Shanach for Atmanepadi Dhatus. Parasmepadi Dhatus taking Shanach, Karmani. Okay. So Kartari Shanach. You follow what I'm saying? I think it's not confusing, right? Yes? Understand? Yes or no? You follow?
Yes, yes.
No, Guruji. I didn't
No.
understand.
Kartari or Karmani, Shanach only will come because Dhatu is Atmanepadi.
Mm.
For Atmanepadi Dhatu, Shanach will come. That Kartari or Karmani, Shanach only will come, right? That's what they written. So Ank plus Yak plus Ana. The form would be Ank plus Yak plus Mana. So
Man.
Ankyamana.
Ankyamana. Ankya plus Mukhahama will come because Adanta Anga. Maybe one more line I will write so that you can just spot it as an Adanta Anga. Ankya plus Ana. Ane pare Adantasya Mukh bhavati. Therefore, your form would be Ankya Ankyamana. Right? Sorry, this is not Kartari Shanach. This is Karmani. Shimita. Huh? This is Karmani. Kartari, we will do it. Because I added Yak. As it was, I just copied. I didn't do anything. So let us do Karmani. This is Karmani. This is Kartari. See, when Yak comes, you have to be alert, right? Yak comes only for
Karmani.
Karmani.
Therefore, it is as it was that I just copied. Okay, that's why this. But you have to be alert to see that the Yak will come only for Karmani. Now, Kartari will be Ank plus Shanach.
Ank plus Mana.
Ank plus no. Shanach is Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya pare Kartari Dhatu ho paraha. What will come?
Ganavikaran.
Ganavikarana. Very good. Shap will come. Don't forget. Shap. Content of Shap is here also. Anga is
Adanta.
Adanta Anga. Very good. So Ank plus Anka plus Ana. Now here what will happen?
Mukh.
Same thing.
Yeah.
Yes. Anka is Adantanga and Ana follows. Therefore, Mukhagama will come. The resultant would be
Ankam.
Ankamana.
Ankam.
Form would be Ankamana. Karmani is Ankyamana. That's the difference.
Yeah, like Yakara. Yak.
Here Shap is there, therefore Anka. Here Ya is there, therefore Ankya. Mana is Mana only. Mukhagama because Adantanga and Ana is joint. Understand? Then next one. Ank plus Ta Pratyaya. Dhatu is Parasmapadi Ratmanipadi. Sorry, Kshmita. No, the set are on it. Na on it. Therefore, Ittagama will come. Therefore, Ank plus Ita. Ankita. We can do, we can see, though I said on it. For our application purpose, we can consider Na anit means Na anit na bhavati. Therefore, ataha set iti. We can note. If it is wait, that condition will come. That time condition will come. Ataha set iti. Ataha set bhavati. Even in a wait also set is okay. So that particular condition when it comes for particular dhatu, I mean particular when there is like udit dhatus, etc., or for samprataya, for samprataya, it will be weight. There are some rules like that. So when it comes that time, I will mention it and say it as a weight. Otherwise, you can just default will take it as said. Now, and it means said. Understand? If it is weight, that I will mention. That is specific for some dhatus. That I will mention. The conditions will be there. Now here we can take said, so that it will be very clear. So for all other dhatuka pratyaya valadi, ittagama will come. Okay. Now, therefore Ankita, because here the doubt will come. Ankita or what? Ittagama will come or not? You say anit. Na anit. Could it be weight? No, it is set alone. Therefore, ittagama bhavati eva, Ankita iti eva rupam. Same way, Ank plus Tavatu would be, what is the form?
Ankitavat.
Ankitavat.
Ankitavat. This is Tavatu Pratyaya. Tavatu, content is Tavat. Therefore, form would be Ankitavat. Ankitavat, how do you decline? Ankitavan?
Ankitavantau. Ankitavanta.
Ankitavantaha. Whether the dhatu is Parasmapadi, Atmanipadi, here doesn't matter at all. Tavatu Pratyaya will come. And Tavatu Pratyaya is Adha Dhatuka Pratyaya. So Adha Dhatuka Pratyaya Praya, no Gana Vikarana and all here. Right? So therefore, only Ittagama will only come. Maladi Adha Dhatuka Pratyaya, Ittagama. That alone you need to remember. If the dhatu is said. Here dhatu is said, therefore Ittagama. So Ankitavan, Ankitavanto, Ankitavantaha iti Pullinge, Srilinge, Ankitavati, Ankitavatyau, Ankitavatya. Napumsakalinga, Jagat Shabdavat, Jagat Jagati, Jaganti. Ankitavat, Ankitavati, Ankitavanti. You remember what that Jagat Shabda, one line is enough. Second line also same. Tritiya onwards same as Marut Shabda. So easy. Napumsakalinga. Okay. Then Ank plus Twa. You can tell the form. Simple. Ank plus Twa will become Dhatu is said, therefore
Ankitva.
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 Ankitva. What is the meaning of Ankitva? Having marked. Ankitavarta means referring to the
Marked.
person.
Marked.
Referring to the person who marks. Ankitaha referring to that which is marked. Ta pratyaya is karmani bhute. Referring to the karma. That which is marked is Ankita. The one who marks Ankitavan. Having marked is Ankitva. And Twa will be replaced by Lyap when we have some upasarga. I'm just taking Su or anything can take. Su plus when we have upasarga, then Twa will be replaced by Lyap. Lyap is an Adesha. Akup just replaces Twa. Because Twa is Adha Dhatuka Pratyaya, therefore Lyap also Adha Dhatuka Pratyaya. But here it is not Valadi, therefore no Ittagama. That is the only thing. Su plus Ank plus Ya. What is the final one? Su plus Ank. You can do Sandhi, becomes
Swankya.
Swankya.
Ankya.
Tushtu Ankya. Well, having marked well. That's the meaning. Having marked well. Having marked Ankitva. Having marked well. Right? Then Anki plus Tum will become
Ankitam.
Ankitum. Having to mark. Ankitum means to mark. Ang plus Trich, referring to the person who marks. Karta. Form would be
Ankitra.
Ankitra. So how do you decline? Ankita, like Karta, Kartaro, Kartaraha. Ankita, Ankitaro, Ankitaraha. One marker, two marker, many marker. They're referring to the person who does that kriya, that karma, the job. That action. Srilinge, Ankitri. You add Ni Pratyaya. Ankitra plus Neet. Do Ayadi Sandhi, Yen Sandhi, Ankitra plus E, do Yen Sandhi, Ankitri, iti Rupam. R plus E. What sandhi? N sandhi. Iko energy. Ik is replaced by N. Therefore, R is replaced by Repa. Repa plus E. Ri. And Ankit 3. Ankit 3 is Rupam. Ankit 3, Ankit 3, Ankit 3. Napumsakalinga, we have Shabda. Datra Shabda. Datra are Katra. Katra Kartrani. Kartrani. So Ankitra, Ankitrani, Ankitrani. Iti Rupam. Napumsakalinga. Referring to the person, the doer. Next one, lut. Will become, this is just Babe, just denotes just action, pure action. Ang plus lut. Takara it letter, Lakara P it letter, then U is there. Then U is will be replaced by Ana. There is a rule. Wherever the pratyaya, wherever we have the content of the pratyaya, U and U should be replaced by Ana. It's a rule. And if it is Wu, replaced by Aka. U by Ana, Wu by Aka. Pratyaya Wu must be replaced by Ana. Pratyaya U must be replaced by Ana. Pratyaya Wu will be replaced by Aka. Here U is the replaced by Ana. And it is Adhatuka Pratyaya, but not Baladi. Therefore, no Itagama.
Itagama.
Dhatu is said. Pratyaya is not Baladi. Therefore, no it. Therefore, form would be
Ankana.
Kana.
Ankana. Null, again null pratyaya, like a trish pratyaya, referring to the doer of that kriya, that action. So
Akka.
here the ith letters are important. Lakara ith letter. Nakara is there as ith letter nit. So it will cause Adi Vriddhi. Upada letter, sorry, Kshamita, not Adi Vriddhi. Adi Vriddhi in the case of Tadita. Here it will cause Upada Vriddhi. Upada letter, if it is Rasva, Akara, it will become Dirgha. Other Angakaryas, same as, Sarvadhatuka, any Pratyaya, what we have seen. Iganta will take Guna, but here Iganta will take Vriddhi. The
Guruji,
two, yeah,
this
yeah,
Nakara is
ith letter.
it, Adi, it. Is it the same in Nijanta
Nicha.
also? Because it
Yes,
is
yes, same thing.
Nakara, the Vriddhi happens,
Yeah,
Pati becomes
Nijanta,
Party.
same thing. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Nijanta
Okay.
also, Nakara is ith letter, right? Content is
That's why
new
the
only. Chakara is ith letter, Nakara is ith letter. Therefore, we can refer to Nijanta as Nit Pratyaya.
yeah.
Similarly, this is also Nit Pratyaya. Because it is Nit Pratyaya, therefore, Angakarya will happen. But what Angakarya? If it is Iganta, Ikanta will take Vriddhi. Ikupada will take Guna. That is same as Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. If it is Atupada, if Akara is Upada, then that Akara will become that is Vriddhi will happen. The three Angakaryas possible.
Yeah. Okay.
And this one Angakarya is common with any Sarvadhatuka. Ikopada will take Guna.
Good.
These two are something special for Nit Pratyaya. Iganta will take Vriddhi. Atupada will take Vriddhi. But here, Pada is also a consonant. Therefore, none of this Angakarya will happen. So don't worry. It will not become not be just Ank only. Okay, Ank plus Wu. Wu will be replaced by Aka. Aka is Adhatuka Pratyaya, not Valari. Therefore, though the Dhatu is said, no Itagama. Therefore, form would be what? Ankaka.
Ankaka.
Ankaka means referring to the person.
Guruji, this is
Ankita.
Atupada, isn't it?
That is Atupada. Kakara, the last letter, penultimate is Nakara. You have to watch.
It is
Penultimate is a consonant.
consonant. Yeah, it
With
is
all
Samyukta
small
Akshara.
mistakes, we will do it, yeah. So please note. That's why I'm writing this. Please note
Yeah. Sorry.
accordingly. Okay. Iganta, Ikupada, Atupada. Atupada will become A, Iganta will take Vriddhi, Ikupada will take Guna. These three things you can remember. This is for the Nit Pratyaya. Same thing what we have seen for Nit. Yatra Nit Bhavati Pratyaha Paraha. Tatra Igantasya Vriddhihi Atava Ikupadayaha Gunaha Atupadayaha Vriddhihi Bhavati. Can note. Any one of the Angakarya will happen, provided the conditions are fulfilled. Here it is neither Iganta Na Rikupada, na Ratupada. So no
Yeah.
Angakarya possible.
Yeah.
Okay. This is not required. We want this. I remove this. Huh?
Yes, please, Guruji. Leave it there, Guruji.
Oh, okay. Okay, done. So Ankadatu done. Now let us take the next dhatu. What we have seen the same dhatu we'll take. For the next dhatu. Patadhatu is an example. Patadhatu also we can take. But what example we have taken that we will see. Akadhatu, Akidhatu, Krudhatu. Yes. Krudhatu interesting. Why because it is Ubhayapadi. You will have both. Nakara is Italata. Therefore Kartravipraya Kriya Paraya Atmanipadi. Paragami Kriya Pale. Parasmipadi. So this dhatu we can take. That will be interesting. You will have many forms. So Lakara itself, we will have two forms. Kurute, Karoti Kuruta Kuruvanti, Kurute Kurvate Kurvate. Both in Parasmipadi and Atmanipadi, we have forms. So like that for all the Lakaras. All the Lakaras. So let me copy paste this. It's the same set of pratyas we will apply for Kru Dhatu. And it's an important Dhatu. It's an important Dhatu, Kru Dhatu. Yeah. So next Dhatu is Kru. Dukring, that's a Rupam. Okay, Upadeshika Rupam. Dukring is the Rupam. Du is Italata. Italata at the beginning. Nakara is, that is also Italata.
Letter.
Nitvat, Dhatuhu,
Ubhayapadi.
Ubhayapadi.
At-
Ubhayapadi. Kartravipraye, Kriyapale, Atmanipadi, Paragami Kriyapale, Parasmipadi. Therefore, it is Ubhayapadi. If it is Ubhayapadi, then what would be here? Can guess.
Sarita.
Parit.
Sarita.
Not required.
Saritate.
Annanu.
But Git itself is sufficient. Right? Dhatu is Git. Therefore,
Ubhayapadi.
Ubhayapadi. Here,
Ubhayapadi.
where is the what is the Italata? Nakara. It's not a
Nakara.
vowel. So how can we have Swara?
No Swara.
How can we have Swara for the consonant? Therefore, you will see in the line, what we will see, I'll show you, you will have Gitaha only. The other
Yeah.
things we have to find out. This we will see. Now, let us see the Dhatu. Kru Dhatu. Which Gana Dhatu is? Kru. Important Dhatu. Eighth conjugation. Tanadi Gana. This Dhatu is in the eighth conjugation. Where the Gana Vikarana is U. Latlakara and all little difficult, but I will quickly will do certain rules. You will not see. We will see later. The forms are since already we are familiar with. So they just tell the forms and move on. Kru Dhatu, you just see. See the screen.
Dukring.
Where is it? You can tell me. Kru. Kru. Sadhi. Okay, this will be the alphabetical order, means the ether letter also will be considered. So therefore, I think so. Tavarga. Tavarga means here.
Yeah, it will be here.
Here. Where is it? You can see the screen. It is there. On the left, on the right side.
Yeah, right side, 11.
11th dhatu of the
Different.
Tanadi Gana.
Tanadi.
Tanadi Gana is smaller Gana. So only few dhatus are there. Tanadi Gana. So therefore we can easily, Tanadi is 8th conjugation. 6, 7. Only the first conjugation we have more dhatus. In fact, it covers once few dhatus we know it is done. Tanadi and all, Tanadi, Rudadi and all, every dhatu we have to learn because they are special. You see, Tanadi, how many dhatus are there? I think 10 dhatus or something. Yeah, 30, not even 13. 10 dhatus. Gana is over. It means the dhatus are special. Now where is kru, dukring?
Yeah, 11.
11th one. Now you see, dukring, next one, what is there? Line that is important. Anudataha,
Nit.
Nita. That is important. Anudata, Nita. Nita, therefore, it is Nitaha, therefore, Ubhayapadi. And here we have
Anudata.
Anudataha. Right? Anudataha, Nitaha. Anudata, Nitaha is given. Right? Itamsha is, Akara is Itamsha. Therefore, it is, there is no swara applicability. Therefore, Dhatuhu, what will happen? Dhatuhu,
Atmanepadi.
Ubhayapadi.
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 Kartravipray Kriyapale Paragami Kriyapale Parasvapadi. Dhatuhu Ubhayapadi Bhavati. Fine. Then Anitamsha is
Anudata.
Swara is Anudata. Therefore, Dhatu is
Anit.
Anit.
Anit. That's important. Dhatuhu Anit Bhavati. Why? Anudatatva. Understand? Dhatu, you can note, Kru Dhatu is Anit Dhatu. Okay. Now, Sarvadhatuka Lakharupani, little difficult this one because we have not seen Tanadigana, but anyway we'll do. It's Ubhayapadi, therefore we will have two. First let us take Parasvapadi Rupam. Kru plus T. What will happen? Kru plus T. Step. Ganavikrana is U. So who is Adadhatuka Pratyaya? When Adadhatuka Pratyaya follows, Anga Kru will undergo Angakarya.
Angakarya.
Kru will become Kar. Kar
Kar.
plus U plus T, right?
Karoti.
Not Karoti, you will have Karuti. But we have formed Karoti. Here what happens? Kar plus U becomes Karu, right? Karu plus Tip. Karu plus Tip. This is Tip Pratyaya. Also, okay. For understanding, maybe I can write Tip all over. It is Tip is Tip Pratyaya. Karu plus Tip. Now Karu, in Karu, with that A is there, right? That A will be replaced by U. So rule is there. Therefore becomes Kuru. Now Kuru plus Tip. Kuru is Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. Anga is Kuru. Tip is Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. Anga is Kuru. Anga ending with U. Therefore, U will become Guna. Ka, Ro, then Ti, Karoti. That's how it becomes. Please note, this is how it becomes. I'm not telling the sutra or the rule. Just note, whenever that U is there as part of the Anga for the Kru Dhatu, then that Akara of that Anga will be replaced by U. It's a rule. Therefore, Karoti you get. The same thing for, this is Parasvapadi. Atmanepadi Rupam, Kru plus Te. Therefore, what will be the form? Angakarya will happen, Kru will become Kar, Kar plus U, Karu plus Te. Te is Atmanepadi Pratyaya, that is Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya only, but it is Apit, therefore no Angakarya can happen. But here A will be replaced by U, Kuru plus Te will become Kurute. Kurute, Kuruvate, Kuruvate iti Rupam. Okay. I think this Latlakara is enough. Other Lakara, we can do the same way only. It's not a big thing. You understand here, this is only important thing. Karu will become Kuru. It's a special rule for this Dhatu. This Dhatu, we have a special rule. Lang Lakara would become, so Parasmaipadi Rupam, Atmanepadi Rupam. Only Prathama Purusha I'm writing. Other Purusha, you can do it later.
Akuruta.
So Kuru plus Tip. Dhatu beginning with Al, therefore Attagama will come. A plus U plus Takara, right? A plus akar plus u plus takara. Then akaru plus takara. This is apit pratyaya. Remember. Then a plus a will be karu of the dhatu a will be replaced by u. Therefore, akuru plus takara. Therefore, you have
Akurut.
akuruta. Sorry, this is they are doing this tip pratyaya. This is tip only. Okay, this is sarvadhatuka pit pratyaya. All the way it is pit. Lang lakara, it is takara. This is a pit pratyaya. Therefore, akuru plus tip pratyaya, akuru will become akaro, akarot. The form is akarot. We are doing parasvayapadi form. Okay. Tip is parasvayapadi. Atmanepadi only it is a pit. There only no angakarya. Please note. Tip is lang lakara, tip will become takara. So takara is pit pratyaya only. Okay. I think by mistake I said it's a pit. I thought it's a parasvayapadi. If it is parasvayapadi, it will not be takara. It will be ta. Right? So parasvayapadi, it will be ta. Parasvayapadi, ta, atam, ja. Now here what will happen? Same thing. Atagama will come. Akra plus u plus ta. Then we have akar plus u plus ta. This ta is sarvadhatuka pit. Here it will not, angakara will not happen. Okay. Akuru plus ta. Therefore you have the form akuruta. Akuruta, akurvatam, akurvata iti rupam. Okay. So lang lakara. Lot lakara, same way. We have two forms. Lot lakara, lot also like lang only with certain difference. Kr plus two will become kr plus tip will become for lot lakara two is parasmaipadi, sarvadhatuka pit only. No attakama business here. Therefore, kr plus u plus two, kr will become kar, then kar will become kuru plus 2. Therefore, kuru plus 2 will become karotu. Kuru, karotu, not kurotu, karotu. Here, that u will not be I will not be replaced by u. We have a rule. Okay. So I will not be replaced by u. I think here also I did the same thing. What did I do? Oh, 1 minute. Yeah. Here also, nobody said. See, when followed by this sarvadhatuka apit pratyaya only, this a will be replaced by u. Otherwise, no. Shamitam. Okay. I overlooked this. We have a rule where this is a little difficult. Okay. And I also have not, not gone through since many days. Over the rule, I don't suddenly remember. When followed by sarvadhatuka pratyaya, fine, and it should be apit pratyaya. That is why in apit pratyaya rupam, if you see, you will have that u will be there for karoti kurutaha. Karoti kurutaha kurvanti. Then karoshi kurutaha kuruta. The form, we know it very well. We have been chanting also upon a time. The karoti, karoshi, karomi iti was sarvadhatuka pit pratyaya. Tip, sip, mip. What about other pratyayas? They're all apit pratyaya. So when followed by apit pratyaya only, that kar is replaced by kur. So that's why ku you have in all other places, because followed by sarvadhatuka apit pratyaya. When followed by pit pratyaya, then it will not be u. So therefore, here all karoti only. Okay, please note. Similarly here it is te. Te is atmanepadi pratyaya. It is apit. Here it is kurute. That's no problem here. It is kurute. In lang lakara also, it is akarot only, not, it will not become u, because I'm doing prathama purusha ekavachanam, which is tip pratyaya. And atmanepada, it is sarvadhatuka apit. Therefore, there it will become that akuruta. Kar will be replaced by a will be replaced by u. Therefore, akuruta. Please note this. The small change. The rule is when followed by Sarvadhatuka Pit Pratyaya, that Karu will become Kuru. Maybe I will write here. Here it is, no problem. Here we have this. Here we have to note. Here I will write. Sarvadhatuka Apit Pratyaye Pare. Then get Apit Pratyaye, then Karu will become Kuru. Kuru iti bhavati. Okay. And just Kuru iti. So this Akara of the Anga will be replaced by Ukara when followed by Sarvadhatuka Apit Pratyaya. In the case of Atmanepadi, all the Pratyas are Apit only. Only we have Tip, Sip, Mip. Parasmepadi, Uttama Pratham Purusha Ekavachanam, Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam, Uttam Purusha Ekavachanam, the rest are all Apit only. Therefore, here Kurute, whereas in Parasmepadi, Ekavachanam, Karoti. The same thing for Lang Lakara. Tip Pratyaya, Parasmepadi, Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam become Akarot. It will not become U. Whereas in Atmanepadi, Akuruta, A will be replaced by U. Similarly, Lot Lakara, Parasmaipadi, Pratyaya Pare, it will not become U, it will be Ka only. Therefore, Ka plus Ru plus Tu becomes Karotu. Karotu, Kurutaha, like the form Ka, Karotu. Karotu Kurutam, Kurvantaiti Rupam. Now, Lot Lakara Atmanepadi Rupam that we are doing. Kru plus the Ta is Atmanepadi Pratyaya, Sarvadhatuka Apit Pratyaya. Therefore, Kar will become Kur. We are doing Lot Lakara, no Atakama here. Kru plus U becomes Kar, Kar will become Kar plus U Karu, Karu will become Kuru. Pratyaya is Atmanepada Pratyaya is not Ta, it is Lot Lakara Tam. Tamitam Tam. Therefore, form would be Kurutam. Understand? This is a little difficult, but just for the sake of completion, all the lakaras I am doing. Only one thing you need to remember. Sarvadhatuka Apit Pratyaya Pare, Kar will become Kur. That alone you remember. The rest will fall in place. Ling Lakara Rupam, that also will do. What? You can tell me Ling Lakara. No. I mean, then there's 3 lakaras. Ling Lakara would be Kru plus Parasmepadi Rupam. Kru plus what is the Pratyaya? Tip is the original Pratyaya. Then Garavikarana will come and Tip will be replaced by Eat. I'm doing Parasmepadi. What type of Pratyaya Eat is? Please note, Ling Lakara, all the Pratyayas are Apit only. Okay. It is, don't think it is Parasmepadi. It is
Sarvadhatuka Apit.
It is Apit only. All the Pratyayas of Ling Lakara, they are Apit by a rule. So therefore, Kru plus U plus Eat. The significance of Apit is that Kar will become Kur. So Kru plus U is Kar plus U plus Eat. Okay.
Kuruve.
Then Karu plus Eat. Then Karu will become the Kuru. Right? Kuru plus Eat.
Kuruve.
Now here, what will happen? Here, what will happen? Ling Lakara. The Ling Lakara, the form is, actually it is for Adantanga only Eat. For Anadantanga it is Yat. Okay. This, in fact, the original Pratyaya is Yat only. The Yat is the original Pratyaya. That alone, it will become Eat for Adantanga. In fact, in the beginning itself, I have mentioned in that document, you can see. PowerPoint. Therefore, Karu plus Yat, Kuru plus Yat. Yes, understand. So Kar plus Yat and Kuru plus Yat. The point, then what will happen here? The U also will go away. So therefore you will have
Kuryat.
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 How Ukara goes away again. Utaha Sutram is that not required for us, just to note. Kru plus U plus Yat, Anadanta Anga. This will cause Angakarya, and therefore it will become Kar become Karu, then Kuru, then Ukarasya Lopaha Bhavati. Lopaha Katam Bhavati iti Chintanya. I also forgot. Okay. Cannot remember everything. Very difficult. Whenever we require that time, we refer to the Sutra Pata. We'll get easily. Refer to the Sutra Pata, we'll get to know of that person. At least let me check for myself. This is a little difficult, Kridat. That's why I've not thought I'll postpone. We'll do it later. Okay. How this Ukara goes away? Ukarasya Lopaha. Yes, Lopaha. Ata ut sarvadhatuke. I think Ataha ut sarvadhatuke. Okay, then Kar become Kuru. There's a sutra. Yecha. When Yakaradi Pratyaya follows, so Ukarasya Lopaha Bhavati. One sutra is Krudatoho. When Yakara Pratyaya is there, then Ukara will go away. So that's a rule. So Ukara goes away. This is very specific for Krudato, in fact. Therefore Kuryat. Maybe I will write here. Ye means Ye Pratyaya means Yakaradi Pratyaya. Ye Pratyaya Pare Ut Lopaha. Ut means Ukara. The Ut stands for the Gana Vikarana U. Ye means Ye Saptami Bhakti. Ye means Yakaradi Pratyaya Pare. Here Yat is Yakaradi Pratyaya. Therefore Ukarasya Lopaha Bhavati. This is by a rule. I am not writing the rule. This is not a sutra. This is our understanding. Simple Samskrita words are written. You can understand. Ye means Saptami. Ye Pratyaya means Yakaradi Pratyaya. That is Pratyaya beginning with Yakara follows. Ut Lopaha. Ut is Ukara Lopaha. This is Parasmipadi. Same for Atmanipadi. Atmanipadi also. Kru plus the Pratyaya is here also. Yat Yatam Yuhu. Then what is the Pratyaya for? What is the Pratyaya for Atmanipadi? Atmanipadi we have the Pratyaya. Ita, Yatam, Iran. That's a Pratyaya. But here also something happens. Ita. So Kar plus U, Kru plus U, Kru will become Kar plus Ita, Karu plus Ita. Then of course this is Apit Pratyaya, therefore Ka of Karu will become Kuru plus Ita. Then Kur Vita, just a Sandhi. Kur, then U is replaced by Vakara. Then Kurvita. So Kurvita, Kurviyatam, Kurviran. That is a Rupam. This is just a Sandhi. Okay. Then Karmani Rupam. Karmani Rupam only one form. You can. This is easily. We have seen Karmani Rupam. Kru plus Te. You can tell me what is the form. Kru plus Yak plus Te. Rikaranta Dhatu. Remember Rikaranta Dhatu. Kru will be replaced by. I sent you the notes also. Please see. It will be replaced by Ri. Kriyate, right? Lang Rupam would be Kru plus Yak plus Ta. So Lang Rupam. Attakama will come. Therefore, Kru plus Yak plus Ta. The form would be, they're all the same thing. Ru will be replaced by, when Yakara, the Kit Pratyaya follows, then we have seen that Ru will be replaced by Ri. Akriyata. Lotlakara. Lot lakara also kru plus tam, kru plus yak plus tam. Yak follows. Therefore, kriyatam. This must be fresh in your mind because Karmani, we have done elaborately, right? Elaborate practice we have done Karmani. Then, so all the, then Ling Lakara, Karmani. Kru plus Pratyaya is Atmanipati Pratyaya Eta only. Kru plus yak plus Eta, creator.
Kriyeta.
All this Abhyasa, in fact, we have done. Okay, then Lit Lakara. Here only this is important. See, Kru plus Rit. Kru plus Sya plus Rit. Kru plus, is it a set dhatu? Sya is Adha dhatu ka pratyaya. Is it a set dhatu? Yes or no? Kru dhatu is a set or anit? Tell me, Kru dhatu is just, we saw no, in the beginning itself we said. Set dhatu or anit dhatu? It is anit, right? Udattaha.
Udatta.
See, thing forgot. Kru dhatu is anit bhavati because also anudataha, therefore anit bhavati, right? Anudatatvat, anit. Not udataha, anudataha. Udata means said. Therefore, if it is anit, then what will happen for future tense? What is the rupam? Final form is, you know it. What is the final form? Karishyati, right?
Karishyati.
Karishyati is the final form. Now do the reverse. Karishyati. We have come across in Karishyati and all in pen reader. If it is Karishyati, right? Karishyati or Karishyate, whatever it is. Parasvapadi, Ratmanipadi. Okay. If it is Karishyati or Karishyate, then here ye is, from where this ye has come? Ye because of the it agama. But it agama of it will come. How can it come? Dhatu is Anit dhatu.
Anit.
Then how that it agama will come? No. For that we have a special rule. For Rikaranta dhatu, when followed by Syat Pratyaya, it agama will come. It's a special rule. See? Therefore, by seeing this dhatu, form of the dhatu, you cannot say dhatu is said. Dhatu is anit only. But we have a special rule. Rikaranta dhatu, for Rikaranta dhatu, when Sya Pratyaya follows, it agama will come. It's a special rule. I write here. Sya means Sya Pare. Kru dhatu, not only Kru, in fact, Rikaranta. Kru dhatuhu, it bhavati, said bhavati. Sye Kru dhatuhu said. You can understand this is for our understanding. Sye, that is when Sya Pratyaya follows, dhatu, Kru dhatu will be said. Therefore, Karishyati iti rupam. Future tense. Karishyati or Karishyate. Whether it is Ti or Te, the same form, same only. Ling Lakara, Kru plus Ling. Of course, Attakama will come. Dhatu is Kru dhatu. Therefore, A plus Kru becomes Akru. Akru plus, here also Sya is therefore, Ittakama will come. Therefore, Akru plus Sya plus Ling Lakara. Ling Lakara is, so for that we will have the Pratyaya, Takara, Artha, both, because Dhatu is Ubhayapadi. Therefore, both I am writing, Takara, Artha. So, Akru plus Ishya, therefore, Sarvadhatuka, Adhadhatuka Pratyaya Pare, Angasya, Guna Bhavati, therefore, Kru will become Kar plus Ishya, Karishya. Therefore, Akarishyat or Akarishyata, two forms. Akarishyata or Akarishyata, iti rupam. You can, after the class, you can see, and the time not done doing quickly. Kartari would be, Dhatu is Parasmapadi. If we take it as Parasmapadi, Juvepadi anyway, Shatru will come. So, Shakru plus Shatru, Kru plus U plus At. Kru plus A. Same thing. Kru plus A will become Kar. Kar plus At. At is Sarvadhatuka. Apit Pratyaya follows. Therefore, Kar will become Kur. The same rule what we saw. So, Kur. Kur plus U. I'm forgetting U here. Kur plus U plus At. Therefore, Kur plus U is Kuru plus At. Kuru plus At is just do Sandhi. Kurvat. Kurvan kurvanto kurvantaha kurvantam kurvanto kurvantaha iti rupam. Right? Simple. Shatra is taking the dhatu to be Parasmipadi. Suppose if you take it as Atmanipadi, then Kru plus Shanach. Kru plus U plus Shana. Content is Ana. Ana is also Sarvadhatuka Apit Pratyaya. The suppose same thing will happen. Therefore you will have Kuru plus Ana. Kurvana. Kurvana. Of course, Nattam also will happen. Kurvana. Kurvana iti rupam. Karmani. Instead of U, Yak will come. Karmani, Kru plus Shanach only, but here Karmani Yak Bhavati. So in Yak Pratyaya, what will happen? Kru will become Kri, as we saw in Karmani. Triya plus Ana, Adantanga. Therefore, Mukkagama will come. Therefore, final form is Kriya, Kriyamana. That's the Rupam. The form is Kriyamana. Kriyamana. Here also, Nattum will happen. Because Repa is there in quickly this form. Kru plus Ta Pratyaya. Dhatu is Anit Dhatu. Therefore, no Ittagama. Therefore, form is Kru plus Ta will become Krita. Kritaha Krito Kritaha Pullinge Krita Krite Krita Srilinge Kritam Krite Kritani Napum Sakalinge. Similarly, Kru plus Tavatu, which also we have seen many times. Kru plus Tavatu becomes Kritavatu. So Kritavan Kritavanto Kritavantaha Kritavantam Kritavanto Kritavataha iti rupam. Kru plus Tva. This is also Dhatu being Anit, no Ittagama. Therefore, simple. Kritva. Right? Kru plus Tva. Then Kru plus Tva with Upasarga. Pra, suppose, if you take. Kru plus Tva plus Lyap. Therefore, here become Prakru. Prakru plus Yap. Now, here something will happen which we know, but I'm not sure whether you remember. This is a Krit Pratyaya, which is a Krit, and Pakara also is there. It's for Krit Pit Pratyaya follows Rasvasya. When Tukkagama will come, Tukkagama Sandhi we have seen there. Therefore, Prakrit plus Ya, the form will be Prakritya. You can see the Sandhi rule. Last one, Tukkagama Sandhi. Rasvasya Kriti Piti Tuk. When Kridanta, when a Kridanta Pakara is italated, Pit Kridanta follows Rasva, then that will take Tukkagama. In Tukkagama Sandhi, it is there. You just see. Otherwise, we'll see next class. Now, just quickly we'll do. Kru plus Tum, no Ittagama. And Dhatu is Tum, Pratyaya is Tum. It's not a Kit. Angakarya can happen. Therefore, Kru will become Kar. Therefore, Kar plus Tum, Kartum. Similarly, Kru plus Trich. This also we know. Kru will undergo Angakarya, Kar, Kartru. Karta, Kartaro, Kartaraha iti. We can decline in Pullinga, Strilinga, Kartri. Kartriya, Kartriyaha. Similarly, Kru plus Lyut. Kru plus Lyu. Lyu is Ana. Ana can cause Angakarya. But no Ittagama possible. Kru will become Kar. Kar plus Ana will become Karana. That's what Karana is. Nattam also will happen. Repa is there, therefore Apadanta Nakara will become Murdhani Nakara. Then Kru plus Nul, referring to the Karta. Kru plus U. U is replaced by Aka. Aka is a Pratyaya, which it's not a Kit Pratyaya, Adhadatika Pratyaya, can cause Angakarya. Kru will become Kar. Kar plus Aka. Please note, this is a nit pratyaya. Therefore, kru will become kar, not just kar.
Karaka.
Therefore, you have karaka. This is
Karaka.
small thing here, you should not miss it. Karaka. Karaka referring to the karta. Karaka, karta, all are same only. Yeah, because it null, what sense I'm using is the sense of karta. Another null is there, which is not in the sense of karta. It is the sense of to do kriyayam kriyatayam, like tuman. That's different. Here I'm using the sense of karta. I think we'll stop here. I've taken too much time now. Just go through this. Through dhatu is a little difficult dhatu, but what to do? That is the dhatu I've taken as an example. Whatever doubts you have, if not it, and ask me in next class. Go through this.
Okay,
We'll
Guruji.
see. Yeah.
Okay, Ji.
Okay, Guruji.
Om
Okay,
Purnamada
Guruji.
Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. See, I don't expect you to understand Lakara because I have not taught you the Lakaras, how to what are the changes happen. But Kridanta, you can understand. This
Yeah.
part, that is what actually we are focusing.
Mhm.
For the sake of uniformity, I did Lakara also. But Lakara we have not taught you. So don't worry about that. But this part you must be, Emily, this is what is required. Because Ittagama comes for Adadhatuka Pratyaya. So therefore we have to focus only on Adadhatuka, not Sarvadhatuka. So don't worry about Sarvadhatuka if you don't understand. That's out of scope. Okay. I just taught quickly.
Okay.
We'll see when time comes. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad, Guruji.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.